Hello, Team Edibles. Stay with me till the end whilst I share with you how to make this azumi koose. I'll be using 2 cups of black eye beans. So here I add water to it and then I give it a wash. Please, this is a step-by-step tutorial, so stay with me until the end, okay, so that you get the concept very well. So I drain the water out. I add water to it again and then I will soak this for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, this is what we have. It's easy to take out the skin, but then I'm running out of time, so I'll use my blender to do that, okay? So first I'll drain the water out and then I'll transfer everything into my blender. I started with 2 cups, but after soaking, I now have 4 cups. So here I add water and then I cover. Then to the blender motor, I'll give it a shot, another shot, and we are done here. So I transfer everything into another bowl, add more water to it. I go ahead, wash it. Take me will be. The goal here is to get rid of the skin, so I will decant the water together with the skins. So this is what we have. There are still more skins in here, so I add water, give it a wash, and then I decant the water off camera. And finally, this is what I have. Now I go ahead, add onion, I add pepper, this habanero pepper, add water. Do not use too much water, okay? And then I blend all together. Now I go ahead, break in 1 egg. We only need the egg white. We don't want the yolk. So take note about that. Finally, I add 1 teaspoon of salt. So the next thing we are going to do is to whisk our butter till it becomes fluffy. When it becomes fluffy, you see a little bit of color change and it's normal. All right, this is what I was talking about. You can see that the color has changed a little bit. It's totally fine, okay? Guys, we are done here. So this is the consistency we have and it's perfect. Oil on fire. I then drop in onion just to test the oil temperature, okay? It has to be well heated before we scoop and drop in the butter. Else your koose will soak oil and we don't want that. So exercise patience and make sure that your oil is well heated. As soon as you see that the onion has float on top, that means that it's ready. So now I scoop, drop in the oil, as simple as that. And can you see that it doesn't scatter? When I drop the butter in the oil, it doesn't scatter all over. This is because we use the right amount of water and also the butter is fluffy thanks to the good job we put in there. Hello there, if you are still with me, thank you very much and I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that, okay? Thank you. It smells so good, but I am fasting. I don't want any temptation. So guys, it's ready. So I go ahead and then remove them from the oil. Are you making some for your family? Trust me, they will love it. And guys, we are done with our Azumi Kose or Ramadan Kose. I love mine with suya spice and then cocoa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you in my next one, stay blessed. Bye bye.